when it comes to programming, I don't recommend myself. All of the tech I currently use is very cheap and not trustable for long coding sessions, but I use it for coding, playing low-end video games like Minecraft and watching videos on YouTube. So in this video, I will show you all the tech and accessories that help me build apps and stay little bit productive. At the core of my setup, I have an Intel i3 8th Gen CPU. Honestly, this processor is slow as shit, and it takes nearly 2 full minutes to just start Windows. It can just handle 3 apps running in the background, whether it is my code editor cursor or my MongoDB database. My PC have 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and I think I will be switching to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM shortly. And boy, Windows takes half of the memory without any apps running in the background. Yeah, forget about any LLM hosting. You would be surprised to know I am editing this video on this PC. Isn't it sounding impossible? I use Capcut to edit my videos because that is the only software that works in my PC. I use this Acer monitor as my main and only display, and it gets the job done for me. Along with that, I use a wireless Dell keyboard, and this is the only part of the setup that is good with this Logitech wired mouse. Occasionally, I use this Logitech pair of speakers to listen music sometimes. Yeah, that was all about my setup. And thanks for the support you gave me in the last video. And I think I will now post more frequent. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye bye.